Yes, we can see day by day that BTC elections is going to be very near in the month of September. So, to the many youngsters, they have been in the rally. What would you like to say for this?
No, day by day, lots of young educated they join in BPF because they trust to Hagrama Mohilari sir. They trust to BPF. Why? Because last time before elections, Honorable BTR Chief Pramod Boro he said that one vote, one job. Now he denied it. So therefore, Pramod Boro is a man without trust. Pramod Boro is a man without commitment. So therefore, young star educated, they know very well. Upcoming BTC elections, BPF will come power. And again, Honorable Hagrama Mohillar sir, he is going to be chief next in our BTC. So therefore, every section of BTC people, they fed up on UPPL government. Now, young star, they are fed up on UPPL government. And teachers, they are fed up on UPPL government. And all the businessmen and contractors, they are also fed up on UPPL government. So therefore, every section of BTC people or wisdom people of BTC people, they have decided in upcoming BTC election, they are ready to vote to BPF.
And as well, we can see that.
No, whatever Pramod Boro said is totally false. He said that after forming government UPPL, they said that they restore peace here in BTC. But I am doubt myself. My brother Pramod Boro, he does not know the meaning of peace. Peace and happiness go hand in hand. And where there is peace, there is happiness. But now people of BTC, they are living unhappy. You are not happy. Teachers are not happy. Shopkeeper or businessmen, they are not happy. And all the bureaucrat and all the wisdom people or all the section of BTC people, they are not happy. They are living unhappy. So therefore, without happy, how you can say they restore peace? So therefore, peace and happiness, they got both hand to hand. So therefore, I think that Pramod Boro, he does not know the meaning of peace. So therefore, today people of BTC, they are not living happy. So therefore, real peace and real happiness will bring after formation of BPF government. So therefore, youngsters day by day, they join in BPF and they trust to Hagrama Mohillar sir. They believe that Hagrama Mohillar sir commitment.
But the dream 50% only the.
No, 15 years ago, when Pramod Boro he started movement, that time Honorable Hagrama Mohilari sir said, just for the political reasons, he started this movement. That time, when I was in FSU with Pramod Boro, that time we could not understand. But now, after what our Bodofa father of Bodo, Supindranath Pramod said. But Pramod Boro is a betray of to Bodo community, or he betray every section of BTC people. So therefore, he had been fighting only for his own benefit, not for the causes of Bodo people, not for the causes of downtrodden tribal community. So now he achieved his political goal and he kicked off all his youth who were with him when during the movement period.
But he told that who can do this?
No, political, he's a very expert on making false promises. Before election also, he made a lot of false promises. And after election also, he could not fulfill whatever he made before election. So he's a man without commitment, he's a man without trust. So therefore, we are not, people of, wisdom people of BTC and youth of BTC, they don't trust to Pramod Boro. So therefore, for his own benefit, he will say anything. So therefore, we don't have any doubt if our boundary or if our territory, if extensions, we don't have any problem. But we always saying that please maintain six-schedule nomenclature. And after if you are not maintaining six-schedule nomenclature, then this is anti-constitution. They are violating Indian constitution, no? So therefore, we don't have doubt, but we don't have any against. We don't have any that kind of, because we believe six-schedule. If any villages include within the BTC, then we must welcome. But please maintain the Indian constitutions and maintain the six-schedule rules and that nomenclature. But they are. Those who are claiming that lots of villages are going to include in this area, then they are just saying for their political benefit, and they are going to break down this BTC. So they are going to break down this BTC sixth schedule. So therefore, people of BTC they will not tolerate that. People of BTC they will not tolerate that. So therefore, wisdom people and every section of BTC people, they are ready to vote to BPF just because to save the BTC, to save BTC sixth schedule, and to save BTC. So therefore, those who were in UPPL, they also came and they joined in BPF because to save BTC, because every voters and every Western people, they have a responsibility to save BTC. No. During Honorable Hagrama sir reasons, he has done a lot of things. He has done a lot of things. He has done in different part of India, Bodleian Guest House, built by whom? Built by Honorable Hagrama Mohalir sir. And longest rural area bridge. And over the Puali River, two bridges are there over the Ipoli rivers, and the name of that bridge is Hagrama Bridge, and the longest rural area, longest bridge. So who built? Honorable Hagrama Mohalari sir. Hagrama Mohalari sir, he built and he made development entire BTC. Whenever you go, you will see what Hagrama Mohalari sir he has done. But what this present government they did. Then nothing. Whenever you go, there is no single evidence that particular thing has done by you people government or particular thing has done by Honorable Pramod Boro. There is no evidence. You go anywhere, everywhere, entire BTC, there is not single evidence that particular thing has done by Pramod Boro. There is no evidence. So therefore, during their regime, there is zero development. During their regime, there is zero progressive. So therefore, wisdom people of BTC and all section of BTC people, they have decided by themselves. Upcoming BTC election, they are ready to vote to BPF.
Last time,
No. In our BPF party, a lot of senior leaders, you know, maybe Pramila Rani Madam, she is a very experienced politicians, and also lots of ex-APSU President Robiram Nazari, ex-APSU General Secretary Limstrao, they are there in our BPF party, and lots of bureaucrats, those who got retirement. You know, Robinson Musahari is IAS, and he got retirement after Principal Secretary. All the bureaucrat, ex-bureaucrat, and intelligence, and some ex-officio, and some college principals, they are in our party. But you people are not seen because they are not coming in front. Because they are